Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to forward chat transcript to email here in LiveChat. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Archives. Click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and find the specific chat that you wanted to send or forward the transcript via email. Okay, so as you can see here, I've already filtered it out. If you want to, you can go ahead and filter it out by yourself. Just add in a filter and find the specific chat. Okay, and once that's done, you can now then go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three dots, and just click on Send Transcript to Email. Okay, click on it. Now just go ahead and start typing the email where you wanted to send it. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and send it to myself right here. And if you want to, you could include system messages, internal notes, and session variables. Click on Send Transcript. It says here, chat transcript sent to email. Now let's just go ahead and check it out. Okay. There you go. As you can see here, we now have the chat transcript. Okay. As you can see, attachments has been added as well. And here we have the messages. All right. Now another option you see when you go ahead and go to your chats right here, you can do the same. Just click on the three dots and forward chat transcript will be available as well. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.